Hello everyone, I'm coming on today to share with you how you can make these lovely Christmas gift ideas and some home decor for this Christmas season, all with the help of a Cricut cutting machine. Now the cutting machine I'm using today is the Cricut JOY Extra, and I also have the Easy Press Mini. And today's video is sponsored by Cricut. So we have our 2 Christmas balls here for our first decor, and I have some tube confetti, and we also have some glitter here, and I'll be using some of Cricut's permanent vinyl in blue and silver. Okay, so we have the confetti and we have some Mod Podge, which we're going to pour the Mod Podge inside of our Christmas ball, stir it all around, get it everywhere. And then we're just going to drain out the excess Mod Podge that we don't need. Just get a container and drain it out. And now I made this little funnel, and I'm just going to place it there, and then we're going to throw our confetti inside of the Christmas ball. Once it's in there, we're just going to turn it around and let it spread everywhere throughout our balls. And now we're just going to repeat these same steps for our next Christmas ball, which is the more flatter shaped one. And this time I'm adding some star glitter, like some star pieces, and then we are going to add some of the glitter itself. We're going to set our 2 pieces aside to dry, which it takes 24 hours for them to dry. But now we are going into Cricut Design Space to get our Christmas theme that we want to put on our balls. So we just type in Christmas images, and they have a lot of Christmas images for you to choose from. I chose these 2, and Cricut Design Space is free. Once you have their cutting machine, it's a free software that you can get decor ideas from or even make your own. And then now I'm going to send it to my Cricut JOY to be cut. We will cut both our pieces, and then we will weed both our images. So now for our Christmas balls, we're going to clean off the surface with some rubbing alcohol, and here is our first image. I love it. Now I did place some transfer tape over it, and then now we're going to put it on the surface, and then we are just going to burnish it onto the face of our ball. Scrape it well, and then we peel back. Doesn't that look nice? And now for our next Christmas ball, we're going to do the same thing again. Place it where we want it, and I'm going to cut some little dents into each side of the transfer tape. And then I'm going to burnish it, scrape it down well, and then we're going to peel off the transfer tape. And now I'm going to add a bow to our Christmas ball. And then I'm just going to add a little gem on the top part right here. And for our next ball, I'm going to be added some of these nice little rhinestones. So I just used some E6000, and then I'm adding the gems to the front of the Christmas design that I put using my Cricut. And here is our finished look. 2 lovely personalized Christmas balls. They will make a lovely Christmas gift, or you could use them as your own decor item for your Christmas tree this year. And you can save so much by personalizing these ornaments all by yourself. I saw some for $7, and the 2 that I put together cost me about $3 to make each. See how neat it is? Just make it yourself, and you save a whole lot using my Cricut machine. It's nice to have personalized items throughout your home, or to give as a gift to a loved one. That extra special step to know you made this all by yourself. Now for our next DIY, we have these picture frames here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're using some white acrylic paint and painting our frames going all the way around. Now that all our frames are dry, we're going to come in with some red glitter and some more Mod Podge, and we're going to mix them together. And then we're just going to place them going around our frames. Now I'll be using some of this glam sheet here, and I cut it into strips. It has a self-adhesive on the back, so we are just going to place them going right around our frame. So now I'm back in Cricut Design Space, and I just typed out the word joy, and they have lots of fonts for you to choose from. So you choose the one you like, resize it to the size you need, send it to your Cricut Joy Extra to be cut, and then I'm going to weed it. Okay, so we have our letters now. So I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol and clean off the surface. And now I am going to place each letter down inside of our picture frame. So we start off with the J, so I'm going to burnish it well, and then peel back our transfer tape and do the same thing with the O. And now the Y. And here is our finished look. A lovely joy sign, which you can have on the table like I do, or you could use the hooks and hang it up on the wall. Like I said, another lovely piece of decor for yourself or to give as a gift for your loved one, that special person during this Christmas season. I think it looks absolutely lovely. And now for our next Christmas gift idea. I'm going to use the Cricut Easy Press Mini. So I'm just going to heat up the surface. This is a pot holder. So I have some glitter vinyl right here in pink, and I'm just going to press it onto our pot holder. And it's a warm peel, so I'm peeling it back. Look at that. And I'm going to use the Teflon sheet and just go over it once more. And here is our next lovely gift idea. Lovely for somebody who is a baker or someone that loves to cook. We all have someone like that in our circle, so this would make a lovely Christmas gift idea. And personalized is the best. And here are the items for our next DIY. Okay, we have our vase here, and we have some of this glitter ribbon here, and we are going to tape it going right round our vase using some hot glue. And now we're going to go around the other side. And now I'll be using some of our red mirrored tiles going right round the ribbon that we just put down. And now it's time to add the images that I got from Cricut Design Space, which is this lovely candle. I think it looks so nice. So we're just going to place it onto our jar, and I'm going to burnish it well. And then we peel back the transfer tape. Doesn't that look nice? OMG! So now for our next one. And I'm going to place it going around. So now I have this ribbon that I made using ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it to the top of our vase. I'm going to try and center it. There we go. And now I'm just going to add two pieces, one on each side, to make some What, ribbon legs? And now I'm going to use some more mirror tiles across the top of our bow in the center. And here is our finished look. I loved how this one turned out. I love the candles, and like I told you, Cricut Design Space has lots of images for you to choose from, lots of themes, and I love these candle holders. I think they look so cute on my Christmas gift box. Doesn't that look beautiful? I think it does. And here it is with some tea lights inside. I think it looks lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope I gave you some inspiring ideas and showed you how easy it is to use a Cricut cutting machine, which I used the Cricut Joy Extra today, and my mini heat press too, and make some lovely Christmas decor for your home or some gift ideas to give away to your loved ones. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.